Okay, welcome to how to identify your Carroll and Invacare series hand controls. First one up is the 2-function pendant. This is the correct part number for all the parts you're going to see. And the 2-function hand control is for older semi-electric beds that just have a high-low motor and then manual cranks for the other functions. It only comes in the 9-pin that's seen here, and it has a linen clip. So 2-function hand control. Next up is the fine thread pendant for aero beds. Now the fine thread gets its name because of the screw connector cap. The threads are finer than all of the other pendants. This only comes in the RJ45 standard connection, and it has the coiled cable, and it's only available in the 6-function version, and it will only work on aero beds. So it's important to check your serial number to see if you have the fine thread or not. Next up is the classic 6-function hand control. This has 2 different part numbers and they're the exact same thing. It comes standard with now these 9-pin cable on the end attached. It actually has this cable, so if you don't require it, you just remove it. And it has a linen clip and 6-function hand control as well. So this is the classic, most popular hand control. The kit version of this pendant that you just saw is the Pendant Kit 1. And the kit will get you the pendant holster as well as the Y cable to split from the junction box so that you can hook up the hand control on either side of the bed for resident use. Pendant Kit 2, exact same pendant as Kit 1, except just you lose the plastic holster and you gain the Velcro strap. So that would be for older types of rails, maybe where your holster won't work, or for your headboard, there's a Velcro strip on the back of all the Carroll and Invacare series headboards. So Pendant Kit 2 is not as popular, but it's a good choice if you require the Velcro style mount. Moving on to the CS series pendants now. These pendants will only work on CS beds and they're not backwards compatible with the Carroll product. They all will have the RJ45 jack on it. And this first one is for the CS3 and 5 series beds. It's a 6-function hand control, and you only get what's shown here. There's no kits or cables or anything like that. They all just have the bare pendants. Moving on to the CS7 series controllers now. These are 8-button hand controls, and they have the linen clips as well. And here you'll be looking at the color of the grommet or O-ring here, because this dictates the electronics package. So this is the analog pendant on the older CS7 beds. And it has grooves around the buttons and it'll have a black O-ring. It's not interchangeable with the newer open bus style, which we see over here. The new open bus style has a green O-ring. It has a flat surface, it's easier to clean. And again, it's not backwards compatible with the other products, so you want to make sure that you check your serial number to see what electronics package you have. You can check your serial number by calling Invacare Tech Support at 1-800-668-2337. Option 2, or you can call SFI at 888-734-4575. Thank you for watching. Okay, welcome to how to identify your Carroll and Invacare series hand controls. First one up is the 2-function pendant. This is the correct part number for all the parts you're going to see. And the 2-function hand control is for older semi-electric beds that just have a high-low motor and then manual